Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. As you could already tell by the title of this video, I have another unboxing to share with you. It is a very nice spring piece from Celine that I can't wait to show you, so let's get right into it. I think I've already mentioned in one of my previous videos that I've been eyeing a Celine cardigan lately, so I thought I'd give it a try and ended up ordering it. I've been thinking of getting another Celine jacket ever since I got my very first Celine ready-to-wear piece back in 2022 in Paris, which I absolutely love. It's this shoulder padded button-up wool jacket in the most perfect caramel shade. If you've been following my channel for a little bit longer, you'll probably remember. If not, I will include a picture. So now let's have a look at this piece here and see if this will also move into my wardrobe. I don't know how you feel about this, guys, but somehow I'm still missing the accent on the E. I know it's been so many years, but somehow I just never got used to it and it still looks a little bit wrong to me. Anyways, it's not about the box, but obviously about what's inside. So let me open this up. We have here some love letter from Celine. No, just joking. This is probably the return note or the invoice. Oh no, actually it's a thank you note. Thanks for shopping with Celine. We hope you enjoy your purchase and look forward to seeing you again soon. We'll see. I have to say that I'm a big lover of Celine ready-to-wear. Actually, I don't own that much yet, so this is my second ready-to-wear piece, but they just do such good ready-to-wear. Same like Saint Laurent. This here is... yeah, this is the delivery note. I'm not sure if I can unbox it in a way that you can see it because it will probably fall out. Alright, let's have a look inside. Wow, from what I see now, it already looks very promising. I'm holding it the wrong way though, so actually... this is what I got. We have here the most stunning Celine cardigan in the color of my dreams. How beautiful is this shade? I'm absolutely in love. It is even prettier than it looked on the website, I have to say. It's absolutely the most perfect beige for me. I think the color is called Oatmeal, which actually perfectly describes this beautiful tone. Let me take it out for you. Well, it's quite heavy. It's a very thick material. So you could definitely wear this jacket all year round, but I ordered it for the spring season as a jacket. Oh, wow. It's super, super pretty. What do you think, guys? I think we all know by now that I have a sweet spot for soft and warm light neutrals like this one. So this just called my name. I love this color combination of a lighter and a little bit darker shade of beige. Especially in spring, I love pairing beige with whites. This cardi already comes in a boxy loose fit, but I still got it oversized. I took a size large to make it look even more relaxed. I personally don't like it when such cardis are too well fitted. I think it looks a little bit better when you wear them a bit oversized, as it gives them a bit more relaxed and casual look, which I prefer. I love the crew neck, which I hope should perfectly go together with my new Chanel pearl necklace that I recently got and which I'm also wearing today. If you're interested in seeing the unboxing of this one too, make sure to watch my previous video. And then we have here two welt pockets on the front and some lighter colored contrasting details all around the hems, and of course the Celine signature golden blason buttons. I just love this piece. I think it's quite subtle and doesn't cry too much for attention, but if you know Celine, you'll probably recognize it. Now let's have a look at the material. The label says that this cardi was made in Italy out of 55% alpaca, 38% polyamide, not sure how to spell this in English, but it's basically for the stretch, I guess, and 7% wool. So I think this is a good mixture actually, because if it would be 100% wool, it probably wouldn't keep its shape. I have to say that the quality of my other Celine jacket is still absolutely perfect, so I trust that this piece will also hold up very well for quite some time, at least I hope. I think I'll just need to be a little bit more careful with this lighter color to not get it stained. The care instructions say that you're obviously not supposed to wash it in a machine, which doesn't surprise me, but it also says that you also shouldn't hand wash it, so you actually can only dry clean this piece, I guess, so you need to be careful. But on the other side, I also know that these types of wool materials are quite easy to maintain. Alright, enough details I would say. Let me try this cardi on so that you can see how it looks worn. Alright, let me unbutton this and put it on for you. I really hope that it's not too big actually, because usually I'm wearing a size medium and not really large. But I was afraid that it will be too small and too short, so I went a size up. What do you think, guys? I will stand up for you later so that you can see it in a full frame shot, but it looks like this. It is super cozy. Oh my god, it's so warm. It goes perfectly with my pearl necklace, at least from what I see on the camera. And this I was hoping for, as said before. The necklace really has a perfect length for the crew neck of this cardi. And this one also comes with a drop shoulder, which is different to the other one that I have. The other one is more like a structured jacket. As said before, it has some shoulder pads in there. This one has not, so it's really a more relaxed and casual fit with drop shoulders. And actually I'm glad that I took a size large, because the length of the sleeves is perfect for me. I wouldn't have liked it if they were shorter than they are now. It's really perfect for the length of my arms. By the way, what I didn't mention before, I ordered this piece online, which actually surprised me because usually you don't get that many ready-to-wear pieces online on the Celine website. I mean, obviously this has changed when Edith Slimane took over. In Phoebe Philo times, you definitely could not shop anything online from Celine. But nowadays you can order some pieces from the website, but not all of them. So sometimes I see ready-to-wear pieces where they note that you can only buy them in a boutique or you have to contact an essay for that. This one here I could normally order online, so if you're interested in that, I've checked it out today. It's still available on the website. I will leave you a link in the description box of this video, of course. I already have so many outfit ideas on my mind. I think this is a very versatile piece that you can throw over pretty much every look for an extra layer of warmth. Alright, let me show you 3 outfits with this cardi. Okay, these were just a couple of outfit ideas that came to my mind when I unboxed this new cardi. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you're interested in seeing me styling more looks with this piece. What else do I have on my mind for spring? I think I've also mentioned this a couple of times on my channel before, but I'm still thinking of getting some neutral toned ballet flats. I've been looking out for an all white, all cream or silver or gold metallic pair on the resale market, as these shades are currently not part of any Chanel collection, but so far I've not been lucky enough to find ones in my size. And I'm also still looking out for a pair of suede neutral toned loafers. Loro Pianas seem to be quite hard to get at the moment, so maybe I'll find some other nice alternative. I'm also still thinking of getting the Totem silk PJ shorts in ivory to match the shirt that I got last year in Stockholm. And then I'll also probably look out for a nice pair of white or cream straight leg denim. I just recently got a nice pair in light blue from Levi's. Maybe I'll just take the same model in white. But Totem also makes some nice jeans, so we'll see. Miu Miu is bringing out lots of cute t-shirts and tank tops lately, so maybe I'll also get one of these. And of course I'm also looking much forward to some cute dresses and linen pieces to come out this spring and summer season. And I think that's it for now. I can't wait to wear my new cardigan out. I'm so happy with this find. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing. Let me know how you like my new cardi. Seems like this is the year of good cardigan finds for me. After the Chanel one from the Coco Neige collection that I got in January this year, which is perfect for winter, I now also found the perfect cardi for spring. I mean, generally you can wear them throughout the entire year, maybe not in summer, but definitely in spring, autumn and winter. I also found a very similar, more price-friendly alternative. I will leave you a link in the description box of this video, of course. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to not miss out on any upcoming ones. Looking forward to seeing you soon again here. There might come up some new travel content soon, so stay tuned for that and take care. See you soon. Bye guys.